So I'm on my way to the Haynes Museum workshops where all the restorations and things go on, and they've opened them up to the public today, so you can have a little peek and see what's going on. Should be very interested. Let's go and have a little look.
But this, if you sort of give it a wash in the afternoon or whenever you do it, dry it off, start to bring up most aftermarket ceramic coating is really nice. It takes finger marks out.
Yeah, it's got like a few little spots.
That's really good detail. We use it when we go for any shows and stuff. We'll just detail it with this and that. Yeah. And it's easy to use. It's just wet on,
Right, just one.
Yeah. Use one. There was lots of debate over the years.
Interesting to see the paint shop there.
He said he was buying an R6.
He said he's going to buy an A7 for it.
He also said he was going to buy a DJI for it, and I know that he
Yeah, he also told me he was going to buy a lap for oil.
Do you not remember when he was reading that?
Volvo? Yeah.
Just an MGA there. We'll see him having a little bit of remedial work done to it. Couple of Jaguar XJS's. Couple of nice Peugeot 205 GTIs. Interesting Citroen AX converted into a pickup. And a very unusual 207 pickup, which I guess is either an import or some form of conversion. Not 100% sure on that. A handful of these modern Renault Alpines. I guess in terms of modern cars that are made to look very cool, these would be right up there. I do like the look of them. In a minute we will see an actual genuine older Alpine. Peugeot 306 Rally. Park next to it. My little 106 XN Graduate. Very good looking Peugeot 406. A couple of these fairly modern but good looking RCZs. Now this is an interesting lineup. Peugeot 205 Rally, Peugeot 106 Rally Series 2, and a very desirable Series 1 Peugeot 106 Rally. That red one in particular is absolutely mint and became very, very collectible now. It's got the little high revving 1.3 engine. This was a slightly later variation that stretched out to a 1.6 and of course a 1.3 205 Rally. A very, very good looking trio.
No, I haven't. No, I see it. Oh, really? Don't ask him how he is.
205 GTI with a V6 engine. Of course, that V6 was, I think, probably a 3 litre. We saw that in a number of vehicles like 406 Coupe, the 106 GTI. Pretty little Saxo.
Yeah, well, what I had my garage bust into, they pitched a Devanio
Fairly modern Peugeot 208 GTI, but the special one that was by Peugeot Sport. I'm sure that will be very collectible in the future. And some Citroen 2CVs. We always like Citroen 2CV. And there's a commercial 2CV. It's a character vehicle, isn't it? Tiny little engine. Definitely something about 2CVs. Very quirky. Nice to see a Renault 4. Looks very original. W Reg, which I guess was about 1980-ish. And next to it we have a Renault 5. Renault Gordini. It's exceptionally rare. That's a very pretty looking little car. Renault Caravelle.
We've made more room for a driver.
It's a little bit like a Sunbeam Alpine. Talking of the word Alpine, here's a Renault Alpine. Renault Aventine. Very rare. Pillarless windows, look. Looks like a spaceship inside, doesn't it? Either way up, where are we going in? Very rare, genuine AC Cobra. So nice to actually still see the real thing. So many copies around.